Hello, I'm Kacper and I'm engineer at MTS Technik. Today I'd like to present the coilover suspension kit for the Peugeot 206 in all body variants. The front axle consists of shock absorbers finished with a gold zinc plating featuring the hexacoil adjustment nuts. Hexacoils, thanks to the use of a clamping screw, significantly improve the comfort of adjusting your suspension height. The springs are manufactured by German company eibach and are ERS type springs with linear characteristics. Thanks to their internal diameter of 60 mm, they allow for easy replacement with other springs of varying stiffness. Additionally, the front axle kit includes black anodized aluminum spring caps, helper springs which provide preload for the main spring, dedicated bump stops and dust covers. The rear axle kit consists of sport shock absorbers with a shortened stroke adapted to work with the original torsion bars. The height of the rear suspension is adjusted using set torsion bars. The suspension kit also includes the adjustment wrench, 2 MTS Technik stickers and any necessary documentation such as installation manual and TUV certificate. Thanks for watching.